Hi everyone, Ty with TopperLift. I got something really exciting to show you guys. What we have here is a 2019 Chevy Colorado. It's a midsize. The midsize are really nice. A little bit more compact, a little easier to handle around the cities. But what we're doing with this is we're basically giving you a 28 mile to gallon little portable pop-up camper. Basically what we've done is we've installed sealed electric worm drive actuators that allow your cap to go up and down. It also makes it real nice for storing gear and loading and hauling. And with the push of a button, your cap can basically raise up, and in under 30 seconds, you can turn your whole pickup into a mini portable pop-up camper. The model that we have on this truck is the new material. It's made by Clam Outdoors. They make ice houses, and what it is basically is a double-walled, layered, and there's a layer of insulation. I guess the best way to describe it is kind of like a cross-country ski boot. Keeps you nice and warm, and it's a thin material. It tucks away real nice. It's all new. It's really exciting stuff. And then what we did is we included some moon-shaped windows that you can zip open. You can go from a solid to a screen to control airflow. The system is designed to fit all the trucks and cabs. These are the different marks, 5-foot bed, 5.5, 6, 6.5. And this is our contractor model. The contractor model is really nice and efficient. It goes straight up and straight down off the window gate here. And so it's a real fast way of doing it. We also have a model called the Weekender that utilizes the tailgate. The Weekender is really nice for shorter bed trucks. This happens to be a 6'2" bed, so we have plenty of room in there. So what we have here is we have our bungee rack system up above that's holding a couple of breakdown rods there. Obviously, if you have a longer bed, you can use full-size rods or whatever you'd like to put up there. We also have a little portable fan. That's a little 12-volt fan that we can turn on and off. It's kind of slick. And then we added some strip lighting, LED strip lighting. That's actually the warm yellow color, which we really like to use. It's really nice at night. And then we also have a DVD LED TV here. And we got it on a swing arm, so we can swing it out of the way. And that's powered off a 12-volt system. You can order those at Walmart or online or wherever you like. We're running the Dometic fridge as our nightstand. And then we have the Bold North power box basically powering this all up. The disco bed is a bunk bed cot. This is a narrower one. They do make a wider one, so if you have a wider truck, let's say a full size, you can put the wider disco bed in there. And then we like to add the Milliard tri-fold memory foam mattresses with a couple of sleeping bags. We also like to run it in our sleeping bags, if you're looking at ways of heating it, is called Comfy Cruise. It's got a timer, 30, 45 minutes, and it will heat the heated blanket right up inside your sleeping bag. And it's all running off a lithium-ion battery. Kind of a slick little deal. We also have privacy shades that are available through our website. You can see the back panel there. There's also 2 panels that would go on the side. If you end up in like a Walmart parking lot, or you just want to block the light out or need privacy, you can add our privacy shades. Our system is designed to be a self-install. You can have it installed. We have a dealer network through ARE. If you give us a call, I can refer you to some dealers in your neighborhood if you can't do the self-install. The system's relatively simple. It basically powers right here. You raise it up, you push the button in the back and the button in the front. You can raise and lower it, and it folds up. You just tuck away your fabric as it comes down, and it's all tucked up out of the way. Just really fast, efficient, a lightweight camp. So this may or may not be the truck that you have, full-size, mid-size, even the small compacts, you guys. We fit all the trucks, all the cabs. We're universal. From our Weekender model that extends the tailgate on the 5.5-foot models to our contractor that works real nice with the long beds and the mid-sizes. No matter what state you're in, guys, we can help you out. If you want to do a self-install, we have that available. We have phone support available. We also have a network of dealers that can install it for you. You guys, it's camping season. Let's get out there, travel light, move fast, guys. Thanks.